Hi guys. Oh, you have to forgive me. I've got like a really sore throat. But yeah, I don't know if you've already noticed, but I dyed my hair again, and this time it went really nice. So I just want to show you what products I used on it. So this is what I used first. I bought this from Superdrugs. I think it was about £5, so it's really good. It comes with like what I assume is bleach, to be honest, and then it has like this packet of a toner in it. So I did that, and it came out quite well. It was quite nice, yeah. But as you know, I want it really white, so I also got this. Can you see it? That's it. I put that on for about, it says 15 minutes, but I put it on for half hour. But it's like, I think it's like conditioning anyway, so it's all gravy. So yeah, that's it really. My fringe is just, I don't know why, but my fringe just, I think my fringe is broken. It just won't dye at all. It's always been like that, no matter what colour I dye, it always comes out darker. So yeah. That looks pretty slick. So, yeah. Until I try it again. No, you want it uber white. So, here we go. Oh, by the way, I got this from Amazon. It was like $3.99 or something like that. So, yeah. See you later, guys.
But if I kiss you, will your mouth read this truth? Darling, how I miss you. Strawberries taste how lips do, and it's not complete.